Welcome everybody back to the channel. Thank you very much for all those who've subscribed. Thank you very much for all those that have commented, and also thank you very much to those who have interacted with a thumbs up or a thumb down. It's all interaction. So, as you know, we're new to caravanning, and we do make mistakes. And one mistake I made, and I haven't confessed to yet, is when we came back from our last trip, we unhooked the caravan. And what I thought this securing clamp was secure wasn't. So when we started to push the caravan back, the whole thing collapsed. Now we have had a couple of little issues with this jockey wheel. We went to a particular site and it was uneven, and the site owner decided to help. And what he did, he rived that up right up to the max where it was actually bending a bit. And I looked at it, and that isn't particularly load bearing in my opinion, especially the thread inside, and I think it's warped it a bit. However, I think as well maybe I didn't quite tighten that up properly. So tip of the day, everybody, is when you got your jockey wheel down, you want to move your caravan, make sure that's secured. Don't make the mistake I did. Luckily we were able to get it back up and get the jockey wheel in position. So thank you very much.
Brakes! Reverse! Left indicator! Right indicator! Hazards!